Next is adjacent side or base with respect to an angle. Okay. So adjacent side or a base is named according to the angle which we are considering. For example, if we consider this angle B, then the side BC in the triangle, this side BC in the triangle, which is the part of the angle B other than the hypotenuse, is the base of angle B. Okay. So if we take this angle B, it is made up of two sides AB and BC. Okay. Correct. So one side AB is the hypotenuse, the remaining other side, which is the part of the angle B, will be named as the base. Okay. And similarly for angle A, for this angle A, this side AC would be the base. Okay. Opposite side or perpendicular with respect to an angle. The side which faces any particular angle is called opposite side for that angle. Okay, so if we take this angle B, then the side AC would be the opposite side or perpendicular for this angle B. If we take this angle A, then this side BC would be the perpendicular or opposite side for this angle A. So we can say side AC is the opposite side for angle B. Okay, and side BC is the opposite side for angle A. Now we are going to name hypotenuse, base and perpendicular in different triangle. Okay, so for this I am going to consider this triangle PQR. Okay, so the side PQ would be its hypotenuse. With respect to this angle Q, this will be the side QR will be the base of angle Q, and PR would be perpendicular for this angle Q. This base can also be said as the adjacent side, and this side PR can also be said as the opposite side for angle Q. Next, for the same triangle, for angle PQ, that is the hypotenuse will remain same. The side PR will be the base of angle P, or it can be called the adjacent side for angle P, and this side QR would be perpendicular for angle P or opposite side for angle P.